I got gold bricks, slug up your whole clique. BUD and cash spitting that dope shit. Seattle.
Ooh-wee. Wow. VVS is popping, huh? This is why most of my high-end clients, like my ball players, like I haven't done a whole bunch of big-time rappers, but soon. But a lot of my people come to me because they know, A, we know what we're talking about. B, we'll educate you. And C, we're going to steer you in the right direction. This features round brilliance. Not with the C, T, brilliance. Because round brilliance are the most expensive stones, guys. These are the most expensive sought after. I'm not going to tell anybody what they have to have, because there's nothing wrong with other cuts. The fancy cuts, they call the other ones princess, cushion, rectangle, emerald cuts, marquee, pears. Those are all fancy cuts. But these are round brilliance. These are on a different level, different price group. So that's why these are the most expensive styles, because you got a whole bunch of round brilliance. This is about 500, 500 stones right here, filling up these teeth to the brim, all the way down to the bottom of the tooth, y'all. Got to come with the bag on these. You're going to be between that 7,000 to 10,000 range for a 10 piece like this. But if you're ready to go, you know, just inbox me. We'll make it happen. I know a lot of people out there are. We're now touching around the country with these ads and stuff that we're doing in the promotions that we're doing. So we got people tapping in from all over the world, man, supporting us, and we appreciate it. Supporting the black jewelers, you know, first family jewelers in the world, doing it since 1976. That makes a lot of black folks very upset. It makes a lot of black folks very happy too. But sorry, our company's not going to be perfect, guys. We do make mistakes. Things do happen. I had one dude tell me that he came, or posted on YouTube on here in one of my latest comments, and said that he came to us. It took so long and it didn't fit. Well, if it didn't fit, number one, you could have got it fitted or remade. And then he said no second chances with him. So these people are really on some hate and stuff, and we're not going to go there, guys. We're going to keep it professional. We're going to keep it business, just like Alaska Airlines. All those companies deal with haters, man. Believe that. Little difference is mine is it's a black man. So, you know, we are. It's not changed. But this one right here is from one of my Seahawks players. Once again, guys, Mr. Puna Ford, man, 97 out of South Carolina. Anybody out of the South Carolina area, you see this boy rocking this, you know where it came from. So I'm so proud and appreciative of the people I have worked with. Jaron Reed, I've also worked with as well. He's out of South Carolina. Shout out to everybody out of Carolina, man. The Bible Belt, anybody down there, man. You guys are great, awesome people. One of my brother-in-laws is from there. Just married my sister. They're down there in Atlanta now. He's out of the Army, you know, military guy. But shout out everybody out of South Carolina, man. Y'all are some hard-working, good people, man. Good people. Appreciate y'all. So thank you guys for tapping in. Once again, this is my YouTube channel. Please help us. Please just subscribe. Please tell 10 to 20 people that you know about this channel. That's how we're going to blow this up in the next year. We're going to use it organic. Best way to blow it up. Of course, we can do advertising. We do stuff like that. But out of your mouth is the best way it's going to happen. Word of mouth. So please, everybody out there, we're at 3,200 subscribers. And you guys are going to remember this day when we're at 30, when we're at 300, when we're at 3 million, you know. So, man, please, please, please stay tapped in with your boy, Seattle, Washington own Fred the Jeweler, Fred Jr. And we're going to stay tapping in with you. So this one right here is one of my most sought after styles. It's honeycomb, which is where you're fitting the most diamonds you can in a tooth, y'all. Can't fit no more than this. You see, there's no more space, except where we're putting those gum lines. You can see the person's teeth. Want it to look like your teeth, man. When you smile, when your mama see you, she gotta be like, dang, baby. Dang, baby. Them teeth is nice. They even look like your teeth, too, you know? Because your mama's gonna say that. Your mama's gonna say that. Like what that boy Kwame say, mama's cooking. And anybody send, you know, shout out, tell Kwame, shout out from Fred, too. Tell him I gave him a shout out on here. Mama's cooking, you know? Mama's cooking. He be spitting some good game on there, man. Like a lot of his points. Not really against anything he be saying, you know. I'm not on that. I think everybody's entitled. No, it's not for some. Yeah, shout out everybody, man, for showing love to the channel, man. It is growing at a great, organic, rapid pace. Better to be tapped in with good people than, you know, fake people. People that are like bots and stuff like that. Bots. We tap in with people like every time I go live or do a video, they come jumping in the comments. They show love. Then you got the people that need attention. Best way to get attention from us is through the business line. I know that everybody's trying to find a way to get attention from me. It happens every day, guys. So I wonder if Johnny Dang deals with this, because, you know, he has issues with his company too. Mark Zuckerberg, all those people. That's why they're not accessible. Cannot access Mark Zuckerberg because so many people will be calling him up, cussing him out about his company. Man, last person I can remember was Little Boosie, cussing him out about getting kicked off his Instagram page, calling him Mark Zuckerberger. And last thing I heard, he want to fight him. He want to go head up. So I guess I am not the only person dealing with this. He does. Matter of fact, Little Boosie, shout out Little Boosie. You're a fool for that one. Want to go head up with Mark Zuckerberg. So I'm looking for Dr. Dre right now for my headphones, my Beats by Dre headphones. I'm looking for him. 2 of them broke, you know. He need to see me about that. But yeah, I'm not even playing with you guys. I'm being dead serious. We got a business line. We're easy to reach, guys. Holler at your boys, man. 206-250-0833. If you can't reach me, that's for a reason. You got to do protocol, chain of command. People are paid to do their jobs. And if you let people do their jobs, they will take care of you and get it done for you. Let's not make business personal in 2021, guys. You're not going to do that, but end up getting yourself hurt or in jail trying to attack businesses and business owners or stuff like that, because that's against the law. But I appreciate it, guys, for supporting these honeycomb joints and rocking to my videos, because you guys be really listening and you guys show love and support. Keep tapping into those lives, man. If you guys want to throw those support badges out, I'm going to start throwing some serious things back to you guys that no one else is going to be able to get. All right, y'all. Peace out.
I got gold bricks, slug up your whole clique. BUD and cash, spitting that dope shit. Seattle gold grills, tighter than roast clips. Send you a mo kit, send you a mo kit. I got gold bricks, slug up your whole